Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video, I have a Project Life spread using partly the monthly kit from Elle Studio. This is the February kit, and ever since I saw the sneaks, I was like, I need this kit. It's too cute. I love the rainbows, the colors. So I got the kit and I got another few items. I did a whole video of those if you want to check it out. So I decided to take the things that I bought from Elle Studio and add a few things to it to make a little kit. It's not as extensive as the other DIY kits I've made. I just really wanted to work on this week because it has a lot of different colors and themes, and I thought that this kit would be perfect for it. And as always, I have my photos already in my album. I do this, I've been slacking on printing, but normally my process was every few weeks I print photos, I trim them, and I put them in the album. And when I'm ready to work on this spread, then I just get to it, and it's a lot easier than doing everything from scratch. I just look through the photos and I say, okay, I want to use these products, or let me see what I have available so I can choose the kit. So it depends on that. And this title card is going to be super easy since the card already has a bunch of colors. I'm just going to use these freckle fawn stickers to write week 51. Actually, the 51 is from Studio Calico. People, you need to start putting numbers in the sticker sheets. It's crazy. Think about your Project Life peeps. So I just took random items that were colorful and happy and added them to the kit. And I used this Antonius tray from IKEA to hold everything in, and then I move it to a zipper pouch when I'm done with the kit. And I didn't want to put the 51 just in there, so I'm looking for a label that I can use where I can put my 51 on. And I'm using the Tombow Mono Adhesive Plus to glue everything down. And I love these cutout sheets. I'm sorry, it's the Tombow Permanent Adhesive Plus. The Mono is the other one. I like this one better. I just feel that it's a little bit stronger, and my kids are little savages, so I don't want to be like, be careful with the album. So I just make sure that I use a really good adhesive. And to stamp the dates, I'm going to use my tiny roller date stamp in ink from Studio Calico. And I love that ink because you can use it on photos, you can use it in paper, and it dries pretty fast. The colors are really vibrant. It's really good quality ink. And you know that I can't stop myself, so even though I knew that I was going to keep it simple, I needed like a few extra things, so I just used that little sticker that says memorable plus the dates, and just everything stays in that corner. These ancient stickers came from a cave in Egypt. They are from my little shoebox. It's such an old company, but what I'm doing is adding numbers to some of the photos so I can journal about them later. And this was the Christmas week, so I do have a few things that are Christmas related, like these photos and my cookie-thon photo. And we went to see Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. We also watched The Grinch, but I documented that one more on my December daily because I did finish December daily 2018. Is the 2019 that I'm dragging my feet on. But if you haven't seen this movie, it's probably the best Spider-Man. No, it's the best Spider-Man movie out there. It's really good. And I'm using these star stamps. These are from clearly Kelly. Those are the Kelly Perky stamps. And it's a movie. It says stamp on the go, but it doesn't say the name. If I find it, I'm gonna link it below. But it's a movie theme and entertainment. It talks about music, DVR, record, podcast, things like that. And I really like that because we love series and movies and music. And we're introverts, so our life is not like going out there into the world. So everything we can do inside, we're a fan of that. And I also have a few reading stamps because I also like to read and document what I read, especially because my memory is terrible. So it's like a good thing to jumpstart my memory. And I give it 5 stars, and I color them with the Tombow twin tone dual tip marker, which is also really good for journaling. And I love to stamp in colors. That's what I love, the Studio Calico stamps. And I always try on the back instead, in case the stamping it's like to try out the stamp per se. I am so picky with stamps, but these Kelly Perky stamps are really good. They're from Hero Arts, so Hero Arts makes really good stamps. And I'm going to add a little number 2 because I want to talk about a little bit of this movie. And I have quite a few filler cards on this layout. I wasn't feeling journaling way too much, so I'm only going to leave 1 stamp for that. And I just use that, it's not vellum, it's not acrylic, what do you call them, acetate die cut, and I just use my sewing machine to sew under the word love. I'm gonna keep it super simple. I also wanted to show off the pattern on the card, the little stars, and I really wanted to use those rainbow stickers, and I couldn't, but you will see them soon because they're so cute. But that's the kind of product that you like it so much that you want to hoard it just a little bit. And to journal, I'm going to use my typewriter this time. I got it on eBay, I believe. You can also find it at thrift stores. I used the We Are Memory Keepers ribbon, which is a teal color, and it looks pretty, but it kind of comes loose. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. It's a cool touch though, but if you're looking for perfection, then stay away from it. And that was the card that I was like, this is the first card that I know I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna layer some die cuts. I like it, it's super simple, but I love these kind of die cuts and colors. And this is another filler card. Like I said, I didn't feel like writing way too much, but I love this pattern. And I think this one is not from the February kit. These pebble deckers are pretty old, but they're so cute. And the colors go perfect with the collection, even though it's a Valentine's Day pack. It's also like a love pack, so you don't need to wait for Valentine's Day to use a love pack. This is just one of the pictures that my daughter's teacher sent from the JoJo app, and I really love this kind of photos. It gives them like a little view of what they do in school, and just wanted to keep it super simple. And okay, here's the deal. I have way too many Funko Pops, and I'm not gonna show you my collection because it might get embarrassing. But I really like them, and actually in December 2019 and December 18, I had Harry Potter Advent Calendar Pops, and I had also this box that looks like the Chamber of Secrets. So I have like a few displays. And I got the little genie on my advent calendar, so I took a photo of Tom Riddle with her in the Chamber of Secrets. And this was a really slow week. As you can see, I have a drawing, a meme, a picture of something in my shelf, a movie still. So actually, my photos were like, I don't know, like 6, like reasonable, normal photos. Photos of the things I'm working on, like December daily. So if you're having a slow week, or you're that person that says, oh, I can't do Project Life because what am I going to show? I don't go anywhere. Let me tell you, I hate going everywhere. I like staying at home. I am kind of antisocial, so these are the things that you can share if you feel like you're not doing anything important. Well, right now I am almost done with 2018. The 2 spreads that I have left, I'm not gonna show them on my channel because one of them has like a bunch of kid photos from camp that I don't want to show. The other ones, I don't think I'm gonna do anything to it. So stay tuned for December 2000 for Project Live 2019, because I'm gonna come up with those videos pretty soon. Don't ask me about 2020. I have no idea what's going on there. I have no idea. Thank you so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.